Want to sell more courses? You need a high converting sales page that grabs attention and makes people say, I need this course. In this video, I'll break down the exact formula to write a sales page that gets people excited to buy, even if you're not a copywriter. Step 1, start with a strong headline. Your headline should be clear, specific, and results driven. Instead of Instagram growth course, try how to get your first 1,000 Instagram followers in 30 days. A great formula is how to achieve a result in time frame without big struggle. Example, how to launch your online course in 30 days without feeling overwhelmed. Step 2, identify your audience's biggest problem. Before people buy, they need to know you understand their struggle. Use a simple before and after statement. You're tired of struggling with pain point, but imagine if you could desired outcome. Example, you're tired of posting on Instagram with no growth, but imagine if you could have an engaged audience and consistent sales. Step 3, show them what's inside your course. Break your course into clear modules so they know exactly what they'll get. Example, Module 1, how to set up your Instagram for growth. Module 2, creating viral-worthy content. Module 3, monetizing your Instagram following. Keep it simple. People want to know what they're paying for. Step 4, highlight the transformation. People don't buy courses, they buy results. Instead of focusing on what's inside, focus on what they'll achieve. Use phrases like, by the end of this course, you will. Imagine how it will feel when you'll go from struggle to success in just time frame. Example, by the end of this course, you'll have a complete Instagram strategy, a growing audience, and a clear path to monetization. Step 5, include social proof and testimonials. If you have past students or client results, include them. People trust real stories over marketing claims. If you're launching your first course, use your own experience or beta student feedback. Step 6, add a strong call to action, CTA. Tell people exactly what to do next. Example, click the button below to enroll now and start growing your Instagram today. Join today and get instant access. Make it clear, urgent, and action-driven. Final step, create your sales page. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the biggest challenge in writing your sales page? And if you need help planning your course, grab my free course topic and naming guide at the link below. If you're ready to sell your course, get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi and build your sales page today. Pro tip, pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. Now go write a sales page that converts